Southeast of mainland Greece in the southern Aegean Sea lies the stunning island of Santorini. A volcanic island, Santorini is an arid environment with a hot desert climate and very little rainfall, one of the only two environments of its kind in Europe. IRA, the capital, and OIA are the two main cities to visit on the island. The buildings and home of Santorini are the island's most striking feature, consisting of whitewashed cube-shaped houses, many with beautiful blue-domed roofs. The hot climate and lovely black sand beaches make lounging on the beach, with a delicious drink, a favorite activity for visitors. Santorini is also home to wine vineyards and a variety of world-renowned vegetables, including tomatoes, white eggplants, and cucumbers.